So we just went to the hospital here to get my mother-in-law some medication, and just outside the hospital, right here, are literally some chickens. There's literally chickens right outside the hospital here. I'm gonna just go and say hi to them. Okay, so here we have some chickens. Hi. Are you friendly? Are you nice? Are you going to hurt me? Or are you just coming to say hi? Hello? Hi, pretty. You're very pretty, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't have any food if that's what you want. No, but don't worry, I'm not gonna eat you. I'm not gonna hurt you because I'm vegan. I haven't eaten chickens in a very long time. I haven't stolen any eggs from you guys either, so I'm your friend. Who else is here? You got a pigeon friend? Yeah? Aren't you pretty? Look at your nice feathers. Oh, you have some white ones sticking up there at the back. Yeah. So I guess you guys are Italian, is that it? Yeah. Yeah, I don't really speak Italian too much. Not yet. But, yeah, I like your feet. Very cute feet. Also, you guys have some cute beaks. I guess you didn't come from a factory farm because your beaks would have been cut off. Yeah, that's what they do in the United States and in different parts of the world. So listen, I hope you're going to have a good life and that you're going to enjoy your time here. I guess this is where you guys live. And it was really super nice to meet you guys. Thank you very much for being here. And what are these guys' names? You guys are chasing each other around here? Oh. I really like the color of your chin there. It's sort of bright red too. That's kind of fun. Oh, here comes your friend. So how many of you are there in total? Let's see, you got one over here. There's another one. A whole bunch. These guys are, this one's determined to chase this one around. Don't know what's going on here. Hey, are you sure that she likes that? Is that okay? Or is that just a game? Or, you know, maybe she doesn't want you to chase her. I don't know, I get the feeling. I guess she could just fly away. Hey, you. Oh, here comes a couple more just landing. Look at the beautiful flowers they have here, and it's only March. It's just March here. There we got a doctor coming in on his motorcycle. No helmet. It's very interesting. I guess they're not too worried about head injuries here. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Thanks everybody for being here, hanging out with me and the chickens. So this is kind of a reminder to you guys. If you're not yet vegan, don't eat these little guys. They've never hurt you. You never even met the chickens who you're eating. Be kind, be compassionate. You know, if you want to shoot them, just shoot them with your camera. Just film them, that's it. Don't bother them. Don't eat them, don't wear them, don't use animals. They're here on the planet with us and not for us. All right, so make sure you subscribe, because I know a lot of you guys are watching and you keep forgetting to subscribe. So subscribe and come and join me for more adventures here in Italy. See you soon.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.